Good afternoon. We're in Sandwich, Massachusetts, and right behind me is a church that was converted into a restaurant. So here's the church that's converted into a restaurant.
Belfryen and Bistro.
So that's what it is today.
Hi, I'm Fernanda. If this is your first time here, James and I travel to different states to take you to the attractions, resorts, and restaurants. Subscribe if you like to see our next video, and leave a comment if you got value out on this video.
So we're walking now over to Main Street. So across the street is the Seals. There's the Bar and Art Provision.
Bar Art Provisions. Exactly what does that mean? Look at this thing. Look at the amount of things. Look at the amount of land from here to that house where we parked.
Yeah.
I don't even know if that belongs to the same person.
Seaside Bouquet. That's what this is.
Seaside Bouquet. Seaside Bouquet.
Thank you. So we're on Java Street and Main Street right now. Across the street is the Modern Vintage. There's like wedding dresses up there. So we're crossing the road right now. And we're just going to head down here just a little ways.
Hey, at least the rain is gone. I don't think the rain's going to come back. It's been here and it's gone now.
Okay, they got a memoriam right here to the fallen heroes in the war, the world wars. They are in some special sense soldiers of freedom.
This is World War I, 1917.
Yeah, November 11th, 1922.
The war
Armistice Day. There's also Veterans Day too. We got all these flowers too.
Hey James, remember, this is the time when the last pandemic happened.
Yeah.
This is the time of the last pandemic.
1918.
That's when this was. Yeah, well, it's nice, but nice little flowers here.
Looks like more than one store here. Salt and Stripes.
It is the Modern Vintage Bridal.
Yeah, up above.
Over here is the Salt and Stripes.
A little window display over here. This looks pretty cute over here. 2 chairs, a little table.
So it's welcome above with the mermaid.
Oh yeah.
But I don't know that that's a business. We've been to this church, but I don't know what it's called.
Well, it must be a sign in front.
We've been in there. We went in there. Oh, it's in the. You got soda over at this point?
So at the Brown and Jug store. Right now we're traveling along Main Street.
I've seen this place as you go by.
The gift shop across the street.
I don't know if that one's open.
Spotted Cob. This is this red building right here. garden and seaside living.
All over these little flowers, so
Oh
cute.
yeah.
Spotted home garden and seaside living. I guess it's a good shop. And it's open.
So we walked from the Daniel Webster here in the Sandwich Town Hall and crosses another church.
I don't know.
The
that
weather
it's
vane on
a
top.
Church.
Ah,
I think
'cause
it's used for
it's-
something else.
I think it's a church.
Where is the sign? Where's the sign? There's a church over there.
Yeah.
There's another church over there,
Okay.
Jim.
Across the street is the public library. The Sandwich Public Library. There's a lot of libraries are closed because of the pandemic. And during Christmas time they have a big celebration around here. What do they call that around Christmas time?
Is it? Aren't you talking about the New Year's parade?
Yeah, the New Year's type thing.
New Year's parade happens over here.
First night.
Yeah,
Yeah,
first night.
first night, that's what it is. That's on New Year's Eve. They usually have a parade and stuff. Another church over here. And so that, what looks like a church is really like a gallery of Java.
Well, it may have been.
Yeah, it may have been a church.
They change up churches into something else.
It's like a historical house right here. They got like flags on the telephone pole up here. There's like another historical home. Another church. We'll see what that church is when we get up to it.
The White Horse.
Yeah.
Coloring, windows, you know.
1693. That's when it was built. It's 138 Main Street.
Well, the inn over there was 1692, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Wasn't the inn
So-
1692? The year it was built.
So this is still Main Street. Just curves right around, one big curve. There's a Coca-Cola truck going by. And this church over here is the First Church of Christ. That's what it is.
We've been in here for Christmas caroling.
Yeah, they were ringing the bells. So they had bells that they were making music with.
Remember, we were here for Christmas caroling and
Yeah.
and wind chimes, the wind chimes concert. Remember?
They got one of those mills over there where Wheel picks up the water. We'll go over there and take a closer look.
School over here.
Yeah, preschool. That was pretty cool with all those clouds moving.
And the worship church is here. There's a church and a child care place.
Yeah, it was pretty windy out. A little bit too hard to cross this road. A lot of traffic, cars going really fast. You don't even see it go around the corner. But I'm trying to zoom in on the So this is the Dumba House Restaurant, tea room, and wine bar.
Tea room. The tea room is nice.
And very windy out here. You know, I got a cover on the microphone. It's still windy.
Are you getting the thing?
Yeah, I did. So, this is it right here.
They're probably open on the weekend or something.
Yeah, it's not open now. Some outdoor seats there. So we got to the other side. There's a man walkway over there, and this is the pond right here. Let's see. So around Christmas time, they used to put the boats out here, small little boats, all lit up with candles. And we're gonna walk towards that grist mill. The Dexter Mill. So here's the waterway. It goes all the way down here. The mill, Dexter Mill. Closed for the season. That's what the sign says. Yeah, very way in the future.
Watching this water, these cascades, isn't it? So this is the Dexter Mill.
That's a fish that travel upstream.
Yeah, you actually can catch fish here if you're being allowed. Not right now.
Not allowed. Not allowed.
Huh?
Not allowed.
No, but why does it say, you know?
No fishing.
I think there used to be fishing.
So we're at the Mill Creek Park, renovated by the Sandwich 375 Committee. A little map here of the area. It's the Sandwich Village.
I don't think that this was here before, huh?
It was. So we're going to take a walk to the park. Here's something free of charge.
You see how these seats are rather new?
Donated 2016.
Yeah, well, we haven't been here for a long time, you know.
So here's where the water comes from over from the Dexter Mill area. So this is the size of the park that you see right here. So here's Sandwich Town Hall. I always thought I'd seen another town hall.
We're in the big building.
And here's the Sandwich Glass Museum.
It starts over here?
Yeah. Yeah, a lot of beautiful glass in there.
Oh,
been in there.
The sign. Didn't see the sign. Oh, at night that's lit up. It's pretty.
Yeah, that's during Christmas time. That's all lit up.
Yeah, that's
They have a lot of these all around the place.
That's a what do you call it? Is that a dolphin?
I don't know. They got a Vietnam medal at the bottom. You can see that from here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this is at the Glass Museum. It's right on the side of the building. You can see some of the glass in the window. So this is Sandwich Glass Museum. they have glass blowing too, daily. So here's the parking lot. There's the Sandwich Glass Museum. And here's the main entrance, right through these doors.